The long-awaited rollout of COVID vaccine will take place across India tomorrow, that is on January 16th. The world's largest immunization exercise will begin when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive tomorrow, the Union Health Ministry said. The Prime Minister will launch the program for which the details are being worked out. Around 300,000 persons will receive the vaccine on the first day of the immunization drive, said Dr V.K. member, Health, NITI Aayog, the government's policy think tank. The inoculation drive will start with 3,000 vaccination sites, which will be scaled up to 5,000, he said, adding that initially each center will inoculate 100 people every day. Mumbai is creating a vaccine storage capacity of more than 10 million doses. The Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation has formed 500 teams, each with 2 vaccinators, 2 support staff and 1 security guard. The teams will run the program across 8 centers to cater to 12,000 people every day, said a BMC official. Mumbai has received 139,500 doses, more than the 130,000 doses the state had requested for in the first phase. Karnataka received 54 boxes of the vaccine with 650,000 doses. The state will have 235 centers to administer the vaccine, government officials said. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on Thursday that the national capital received 274,000 doses, which will cater to around 120,000 healthcare workers in the first phase. Delhi has finalized 81 sites and each site will vaccinate 100 people per day. Around 8,000 health workers will be vaccinated on the first day, he added. The vaccine will be administered on 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, while the remaining days will be for the routine vaccination process. In Kerala, the vaccine is stored in regional stores of Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi and Kozhikode. From Thiruvananthapuram regional store, it will be taken to Kollam, Pathanamthitta and Alappuzha districts. The vaccine will be transported from Kochi to Idukki, Kottayam, Palakkad and Thrissur and from Kozhikode to Kannur, Kasaragod, Malappuram and Wayanad districts. Ernakulam will use the highest number of doses, that is 73,000 doses. Lowest number of health workers has been registered in Kasaragod. The first consignment of Covishield vaccine developed by the Serum Institute of India arrived at the Nedumbashiri Airport and Thiruvananthapuram Airport on January 13th. 180,000 doses of vaccines for Kochi have been stored in Ernakulam Regional Vaccine Store. 119,500 doses of vaccine for Kozhikode are stored in Kozhikode Regional Vaccine Store and 134,000 doses for Thiruvananthapuram has been stored at Thiruvananthapuram Regional Vaccine Store. 133 vaccination centers have been arranged across the state. A total of 368,866 people have registered for vaccination. One taking the first dose should take the next dose on the 28th day. For vaccination drive, 12 centers have been arranged in Ernakulam district and 11 centers each at Thiruvananthapuram and Kozhikode, while 9 centers will be set up in the remaining 11 districts. The list named primary health centers to medical colleges as centers where vaccine shots would be provided. Ayush department and private hospitals are also added in the list. Webcasting will be arranged in each center. The health department has prepared an action plan to distribute vaccine as per fixed schedule. 100 people will be vaccinated per day at a center. Waiting rooms, vaccination rooms and observation room will be arranged in each center. COVID protocol will be strictly adhered to in all these places. Meanwhile, the center has made it clear that the vaccine manufacturers will be responsible for any complications or side effects arising from administration of jabs. No legal indemnity will be provided to Serum Institute of India or Bharat Biotech, and they will have to pay compensation in case of any complication. The purchase order executed by government also stipulates that the companies should inform the government authorities in the case of any undesired side effect or complication after vaccination. News Desk, Kaumudi English.